Ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna watching the Brum. We're gonna watch Brum today. Last time we were watching the Little Einsteins, and now we're gonna watch the one of my favorite show, Brum. Yes, Mario. And look, his eyes. Wow. Ooh. Wow. I like Brum. He's one of my favorite. I know Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Where's he going? What's this? Oh, here comes the logo. Brum!
Oh my god, he's yellow just like me!
I know, Waluigi. I mean, Wario.
What do you say?
Sorry. Are you Wario? Sorry.
Wow! And look at that! My hair's yellower than Brum! Oh my god! Well, here we go! What episode we're gonna watch, Mario? We're gonna watch Brum and the Kitten Rescue! Oh! Good chow! Look at that! It's a fireman! Wow! Fireman! It looks so cool! I know, sis! I like him! The fireman!
Whoa!
Anyway, let's see what he was up to. Yeah. Let's see. Ooh! It's going up! Wow! Oh, wow! It looks so awesome, Mario! Me neither. Alright, anyway, let's moving on. Alright, let's see. This song is actually catchy!
Mario, do you like it?
Yeah, I like some of these episodes. Wow, I wonder where he's going. Let's see. Who is that?
It's Granny Slippers.
Oh, her name is Granny Slippers. Look. Wow. What the heck is she's going fast.
She's a fast knitter.
I know. Yeah.
Hold up! Why is the young moving like that?
And let's see what it is.
Oh, look. It's Lucky.
It's a little cat.
Kitten.
Oh, look at her! Oh, look! He's a little kitty cat!
Ah, he looks so cute.
A cute little baby. Yeah. Uh-oh. What's going on? Wait.
Uh-oh.
Oh no! The cat! And the yarn! Oh my god! He's going! Follow the trail of wool, Brum!
Go, go, go!
Go.
Follow the wall, Brum.
Go, go! You got this! You got it, Brum! Where is it? Where is it going? I don't know. Let's see. Little baby, you're not supposed to go in there.
You know, this is so fun to see Brum for the first time. Right, Mario?
Yes. He looks so awesome. He's so fast. And very strong. Wow. Go, Brum. Oh no! The cat is going inside the bucket. Sizzling circuits. The man is stuck in the bucket with a cat in there.
Uh-oh!
Ah, that's not good.
Yikes! Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Wait, Lucky's a girl?
Oh, no, that's not good.
You say about that, Mr. Bean? Oh, sorry, Yoshi!
It's okay. Oh no! The kid has got out! Oh my goodness! Hey, she's going up!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh! That's gonna be bad! But guys, look! We got a new lamp! It's very shiny! And very brightly! What's the cat doing over there? I don't know what's going on! Uh-oh. That's not good. Need guys? Yeah? Oh no! What's going on? Oh god! The little cat is going! Wait. Oh, here comes Granny Slippers. It's going to the sea. What's that? Oh, it's just another cat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. She's going to fall. Oh.
Oh no!
Oh!
Oh gosh. That's bad.
Something, Brum. Do something.
Yeah, do something, Brum. Go, 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 go. Go, Brum. Go.
Good idea, Brum.
Oh, it's got the fireman. He's going to the rescue. You got... Ooh! That's a big alarm. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Oh, wow!
He's coming to save the kitty.
Look at that, Wario! Look at that, Waluigi! The fireman is going to rescue the little kitty!
Yeah. Look at that. They're on his way. Uh-oh. You got to be hurry up.
You gotta hurry up!
Brum to the rescue.
Yeah. Yay. They look like we also got a fire truck man on Team Umisumi on Umi City. You do? Uh-oh. She's gonna fall. Do something, Brum. Do something. Come on. You need to go hurry. You need to hurry up. Yeah, you need to hurry up before she falls. By the mistake. Yeah, that's bad. Right, McQueen? You said it, Geo. Oh gosh. She's gonna fall soon! Yeah. But good thing is he's going in there. Oh. Oh. Come on, Brum. You got this.
Steady as you go, Brum.
Steady to go, Brum. You got this, man. Uh-oh. Oh gosh. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! Come on, Brum! You got this! Go, go, go! Come on!
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! She's gonna fall! Ah! Uh-oh! Good job! He got it!
Yay, Brum! You did it! Yeah!
You did it, man! You did it! You saved her! Yay! You did it, Brum! You did it, Brum! You saved her life! You saved the kitty! Yeah!
That's so awesome, right, Teddy? He said yeah.
But look! Granny Slipper got her kitty back! Wow! That sounds so awesome. Oh, yes. Oh, guys, there's exciting news. Nintendo Switch 2 is coming in this year. And also, Mario Kart 9 is coming too. I'm excited for the new game. And now is the end from Brum. I like him. Here comes the roll call, the song.
Whoa!
Wait, that's it? Yes, Waluigi, it's done.
Oh man, I want to see more of Brum.
Don't worry, Wario. We're gonna see him soon. More episodes.
Oh, that's a good idea, Mario.
Yes. Yeah. Wow, that's fun. Anyway, guys, so this is the end to see Brum save the kitty. Brum and the Kitten rescue. You guys come to subscribe, and hopefully we're gonna make some more videos in our channel. You guys going to subscribe, and hopefully you guys are fun and going to see more videos and get the bye from this guy, Brum. Alright everyone, bye bye.